So recently Canva gave an update of its video editor, and that's called Video 2.0. Introduces a new, more intuitive timeline for easier editing, but many people find the new interface overwhelming. So in this video, I will tell you how you can switch back from a new Canva video editor to the old one, this one. So to do that, just go to your profile, click here on this icon on lower left corner, click on settings here, scroll all the way down, and under video editing, toggle this, use new multi-track video editor, toggle this option. Now you will go back to old video editor. Let's test it out. Just go to canva.com, click on create here, type video and click on this option. See, your old Canva video editor interface is back again. So that's it. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell notification icon, because in the next video, I will talk about the new video editor interface of Canva.